Mathematics, mathematics, I love math, I love math. It is so exciting, very interesting. I love math, I love math.
Hello, grade 6. Welcome to another math time, fun time. Let us start our discussion with the math trivia. What number comes first if all the numbers are arranged alphabetically? Do you have any guess? You will know the answer later. Last time, we discussed about equivalent ratios and multiplication tables. We learned that equivalent ratios are ratios that name the same comparison. We also learned that the easiest way to find equivalent ratios is to multiply or divide by a form of 1. For today, we will study how to use equivalent ratios found on page 235. Let us unlock the problem. In warm weather, the Anderson family likes to spend time on the family's boat. The boat uses 2 gallons of gas to travel 12 miles on the lake. How much gas would the boat use to travel 48 miles? What are you asked to find? The number of gallons the boat will use to travel 48 miles. So, let the box represent the unknown number of gallons. So that is gallons to miles, which is 2 to 12. We need to find the number of gallons that they will use to travel 48 miles. We can make a table of equivalent ratios. So the original ratio is 2 to 12, 2 gallons for every 12 miles. So if they will travel for 24 miles, they need 4 gallons of gas. That is from 2 times 2. If they have 6 gallons of gas, that means they can travel for 36 miles. And if they can travel for 48 miles, that means they need 8 gallons of gas. So that is from 4 times 2. That means the ratios 2 to 12 and 8 to 48 are equivalent ratios. So 2 to 12 equals 8 to 48. That means the boat will use 8 gallons of gas to travel Let us have another example. Use equivalent ratios to find the unknown value. We have 3 to 4 equals blank to 20. Use common denominators to write equivalent ratios. 20 is a multiple of 4, so 20 is a common denominator. Multiply the numerator and denominator by 5 to write the ratios using a common denominator. The denominators are the same, so the numerators are equal to each other. So that means the unknown value is 15, and 3 to 4 is equal to 15 to 20. Check your answer by making a table of equivalent ratios. So the original ratio is 3 to 4. Multiplying both by 2 will give us 6 to 8. Multiplying both by 3 will give us 9 to 12. Multiplying both by 4 will give us 12 to 16. And multiplying both by 5 will give us 15 to 20. Letter B. We have 56 to 42. We have to write an equivalent ratio with 8 in the numerator. Divide 56 by 7 to get 8. So, divide the denominator by 7 as well. The numerators are the same, so the denominators are equal to each other. So, the unknown value is 6. And 56 to 42 is equal to 8 to 6. Check your answer by making a table of equivalent ratios. For more practice, let us answer, share, and show numbers 1 to 6. You can pause the video here for a while, do it, and then see if your answers are correct. For number 1, we have blank to 10 equals 4 to 5. So we can multiply both 4 and 5 by 2 to get an equivalent ratio. So 4 times 2 is 8 and 5 times 2 is 10. That means the unknown value is 8. Number 2, we have 18 to 24 equals 6 to blank. We can divide both 18 and 24 by 3, so we will have 6 to 8. Number 3, 3 to 6 is equal to 15 to 30. We multiply 3 and 6 both by 5. Number 4, we have blank to 5 equals 8 to 10. So we can divide 8 and 10 by 2. That gives us 4 to 5. The missing value is 4. Number 5, 7 to 4 equals blank to 12. What is the missing number? That's the correct answer. The missing is 21. You can multiply both 7 and 4 by 3. How about number 6? 10 to blank equals 40 to 12. The missing value is 3. By dividing 40 and 12 by 4. For your classwork, do on your own numbers 7 to 12. Here are the correct answers. The missing value for number 7 is 10. Number 8 is 10. Number 9 is 27. Number 10 is 4. Number 11 is 135 minutes. And number 12 is 44 members. Did you get all of them correctly? Very good. Before we end our math time fun time for today, let us first answer our math trivia. What number comes first if all the numbers are arranged alphabetically? The correct answer is 8. So that's it for today's lesson. See you again next time. I hope you learned a lot today. And if you do, can you sing with me?
We learned a lot today. We learned a lot today. We are all happy now. We learned a lot today.